Nuggets get the stop. Long lead pass. Jokić is out there. Give it to Gordon. Whoa! Ramming speed. And Gordon with the slam. You bet Jokić is glad to have Gordon back, don't you think?
Julian cheated way in.
Jokić going to throw it up from way. He got it! Oh my! Nikola Jokić!
Here's Jokić. Oh, what a no-look.
Kidding.
Brown buries
There's a chance Joel Embiid could play on Sunday on ESPN. Oh my goodness. Nikola Jokić.
Absolutely kills you. Look at that dime. He knew where Murray was.
Good place to go. Jokić one-on-one against Isaac. Right around Isaac. Bye-bye, baby.
Watch a little look to the right, swim, and then just go back. You get a defender to lean.
Now dump it to Jokić, who cuts by and got it, and a foul.
Where the opening is going to be. Hesitates a little bit to change his speed, and then just a great cut right to the basket. Catches.
Nuggets nursing the two-point lead. Under to Westbrook. What a pass! Maybe even a better cut.
That's how you make a team pay for double teaming.
Jokić with the touch. Bam always plays him pretty tough. Whip pass over to Murray. And Murray hits. Now he's been shooting the last 4 of 5 for 3.
Look at that nice little swing pass. Highsmith asleep, and then
going this way. You don't know how much time the starters are going to get.
Oh, there it is. Jokić up top for Gordon. And a beautiful dime here.
Here it is on the roll. Yabusele just starts to rotate.
Here's Jokić. Oh, wow. 6 Maxey coming and pirouettes it home.